And airport information Alpha 1353 Zulu, wind 0503, visibility 10, sky clear over 2000. Temperature 17 dew point 14, altimeter 3009er. Expect the visual approach. And departing runway 34 left, 34 right. Sam and ILS Cat 2 approach is unavailable. Has flight information available for Washington flight service frequencies. Just contact information Alpha.
Good morning, Payne Ground, Diamond Star 243 Delta Sierra, East Condo Hangar, southbound departure with Alpha.
Diamond Star 243 Delta Sierra, Payne Ground, runner 34 right, and taxi via Foxtrot.
34 right via Foxtrot, Diamond 3 Delta Sierra. Payne Tower, Diamond Star 243 Delta Sierra, is holding short of 34 right at Foxtrot 5, ready for southbound departure.
Diamond 243 Delta Sierra, Payne Tower, right down approved, runway 34 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, right downwind, Diamond 3 Delta Sierra.
Approaching runway 34, entered runway 34 right, 2,800 feet remaining.
Jet speed 29, Payne Tower, runway 34 left, clear to land.
Field information uniform 1453 Zulu, wind calm, visibility 10, sky condition 5000 scattered. Temperature 19er, dew point 14, altimeter 3007. Landing and departing runway 32 left and 32 right. Aircraft landing runway 32 right, a reminder to fly the PAPI.
Jet speed 4 Boeing Tower, wind 2903, runway 32 left, Bravo 10, clear for takeoff. Over 243 Delta Sierra, caution wing turbines from a Gulfstream departing the parallel, runway 32 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 32 right, Diamond 3 Delta Sierra.
Traffic, 12 o'clock, 2 miles, 900 feet below.
Busy airspace.
Jet speed 4, contact shuttle departure, safe flight. November 1 Kilo Alpha, looks like you're on a base approved, runway 32 left, clear to land.
500 traffic, 2 o'clock, 1 mile, 400 feet below.
$500.
November 1 Kilo Alpha, turn right, contact ground point 9, good day. November 3 Delta Sierra, turn right at the end, contact ground point 9, good day.
Right at the end, ground point 9 or 3 Delta Sierra, good day.